most of what I learned is what I learned when I got here. Before I didn't know much about Karsan, and I'm really impressed about the electronic bus. I think it's going to change the whole transportation system. It's going to be a paradigm change, a big change, and I think if you are interested in investing into anything concerning mobility, it definitely should be e-mobility.
I'm very impressed. It's very impressive. There is a climate crisis, and it is definitely there. We do not have very many chances beside that. So we have electrification of traffic must be a very important thing.